In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted track in Suno AI. If you've ever accidentally deleted a track you still needed or thought you'd lost a project forever, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the steps to bring back your work easily and efficiently. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up Chrome and log into your Suno AI account. Make sure you use the correct credentials for accessing your projects. Logging in is your gateway to all the features Suno AI offers, and we need to access your account to find the misplaced track. If you're having trouble with your login details, you might need to reset your password or double check for any typing errors. Once you're logged in and on the main interface, you need to look for the trash or deleted projects folder. This area is essentially a recycling bin for projects you've removed, and it often acts as a safety net in case you accidentally delete something important. Suno AI conveniently stores recently deleted items here for a period, so you have a fair chance of recovering them before they're permanently erased. After accessing the trash or deleted projects folder, scroll through to locate the deleted track you're hoping to recover. This might take a little digging, especially if you have a lot of deleted items or projects. It's a good idea to know the track's title or any distinguishing features beforehand, which can streamline the search process and save you time. When you found the track you're looking for, look for an option that says Restore or Recover. This button is your best friend right now, as it initiates the restoration process. Clicking on it should prompt the system to begin the recovery of your file, bringing it back to your active library where you can access it like before. Once you've clicked Restore or Recover, it's important to confirm the restoration process if prompted. Sometimes the system will ask for confirmation just to ensure no accidental clicks result in unwanted actions. By confirming, you set in motion the final steps in the recovery and ensure that the track returns to your library safely. Finally, take a moment to double check that your track is back in your library. Navigate to the section or folder where you typically find your active projects in Suno AI. Verify that your track has indeed returned and is fully accessible. It's always a good idea to test it briefly to ensure everything is as it should be and that none of your work has been lost in this process. There you go. You've just successfully recovered your deleted track in Suno AI, and you did it with ease and precision. Remember, knowing how to retrieve important files can save you a lot of stress and effort in the future. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.